You can make your shop feel 50% bigger. So check out these 7 quick tips and then leave your best tip in the comments below. The first tip I have for you to successfully organize your small woodworking shop is to declutter. Just start by getting rid of all the tools and materials that you don't use or need. Just keep the essentials, and you'll be surprised at how much space you manage to free up. It's possible I've never really been all that good at this one. The second tip is to create a layout that maximizes the available space. Identify the areas in your shop that you can use for storage and then plan your workspace around them. Consider installing drawers in your workbenches and place shelves and French cleats on the walls to keep your tools organized and accessible. The third tip that I have for you is to put everything on wheels. When you're working in a small space, it is essential to be able to move things around easily. So invest in or build portable workstations that you can use for different projects and move around your shop as needed. The fourth tip for you is to use your vertical space. When floor space is limited, you need to go up. Utilize the walls and the ceiling of your shop to store tools and materials, your filter, install hanging racks, shelves, custom tool holders, and cabinets to utilize your vertical space. The fifth tip I have for you is to have multiple uses for as many things in your shop as possible. When space is limited, consider combining your router table into your table saw wing, using your outfeed table as a workbench, an assembly table, and a storage cabinet. If you've got tools that come with some sort of open base, add shelving or modify the base into a cabinet to maximize the space that you've got available to you. My sixth tip is to keep your shop clean and tidy. Regularly sweep and vacuum your shop to keep it free of dust and debris. This is going to help to prevent accidents and create a safer workspace. Additionally, cleaning as you go will save you time and will make your woodworking experience far more enjoyable. My seventh tip is to keep things really well lit. Seriously, nothing makes a small space feel smaller than not having enough light. Pick up some inexpensive LED light bars or set up your workbench by a window or both. This will not only make your shop feel more open and airy, but it's also going to make it easier to see what you're working on and get a really nice finish on things. So much like that. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you found these 7 tips helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more woodworking tips and tutorials. And if you made it to the end of this video, let me know by commenting, go up. I read every comment and pay special attention to those who stick around. Now, until next time, make sawdust, not excuses.